Hello students, in this video we are going to solve practice set 45 question number 3 and question number 4. So question number 3 is the area of rectangle is 102 square centimeter. So area is given in this question. If its length is 17 centimeter, so what is its perimeter? So we have to find a perimeter, but first we also find out the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, आपल्याला इथं रेक्टँगलमध्ये एरिया दिलेला आहे आणि लेंथ दिलेली आहे. आपल्याला ब्रीथ माहीत नाही आहे आणि पेरिमीटर काढायचं आहे. ओके, सो नाव लेट सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके, सो लेंथ इज गिवन and area also is given. Area is 102 and length is 17 centimeter. Okay, we don't know breadth and perimeter also, so let's solve this. What is the formula of area? The formula of area is area of rectangle equals to length multiplied by breadth. L means length and B means breadth. So area of rectangle is given, so it is 102. So right here 102 equals to, and the length is 17 centimeter. We don't know breadth. Now let's find out the breadth. So therefore B equals to, if we write here 102 as it is, so 17 will comes in a denominator, so it is 17. Okay, now let's cut out this. 17 ones are 17 and 17 6 are 102, because 102 is comes in 17 table. So therefore breadth is 6 centimeter. This is the breadth. Okay, now let's find out the perimeter of area. So now perimeter of rectangle equals to, what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 in the bracket L plus B. This is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle, and this is the formula of area of a rectangle. Okay, it is L length multiplied by breadth, and it is 2L plus B. You know, suppose this is rectangle, so this is length, this is breadth, and this is breadth. So it has 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Okay, so let's take a 2 common here, and in the bracket length plus breadth. So this is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. So it is 2 in the bracket L plus B. We know the length and breadth, so 2 as it is in the bracket. What is length? Length is 17 centimeter, so it is 17 centimeter, plus breadth is 6 centimeter, so it is 6 centimeter, equals to 2 as it is, 17 plus 6, it is 23. Now 2 multiplied by, it is bracket means it's a multiplication, so let's multiply 23 by 2, so it is 46 centimeter. 46 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, now let's solve the last question. So last question is, if the side of a square is triple, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? Okay, it's a tricky question. So question number 4, suppose this is our square, this is our square, and this size is x. Okay, it means this is also x, this is also x, and this is also x, and this is also x. So what is the area of these sides? So area of this square is what? It is x square. This is the area of these sides. Okay, so this is original square. Okay, now if you expand this square in a 3 times, so what is the size of this square? Suppose this is our square. Okay, this is only x, and it is triple. Triple means it is 3x. It is 3x. So it means it is also 3x, 3x, and 3x. So it means it is 3x square. How it is 3x square? Because the formula of area is what? Formula of area is side square. Formula of area is side square. So this is the side square. Okay, this is also side square. So it is 3x square. It is 3x square. So it means what is the square of 3? You can write this into bracket 3x square. So square of 3 is 9, and square of x, so it is as it is. So it is 9x square. It means आता या स्क्वेअरची जितकी साईज आहे त्यापेक्षा ट्रिपल म्हणजे 9x पट जास्त याची साईज असणार. कशाची? एरियाची. ओके, सो नाव लेट्स फाइंड आउट. let x be the side of original square. ओके, तर याची साईज आपण अज्युम केली x. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ एरिया ऑफ स्क्वेअर? सो इट्स एरिया इक्वल्स टू it is side square. This is the formula of area. So what is side? Side is x. So it is x, and the formula is x square. So x square means it is x square. So this is the original square. Now give here condition, equation number 1. Okay, now let's find out the size of triple times square. So now 3x आपण अज्युम करूया 3x, कारण इथं ट्रिपल आहे ना, ट्रिपल म्हणजे 3 टाइम्स. इट इज 3x बी द साइड ऑफ न्यू स्क्वेअर. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ एरिया ऑफ स्क्वेअर? सो इट इज ऑल्सो area equals to side square. What is side? Side is 3x. So put the side 3x square. So what is the square of 3? Is 9. Square of 3 is 9, and square of x is x square. So this is the answer. It means आता जे आपला ओरिजिनल स्क्वेअरची जी साईज होती, तर त्यापेक्षा जर आपण 3 टाइम्सनं इन्क्रीज केलं स्क्वेअर, तर ते 9 पटीनं त्याची साईज वाढणार एरियाची. ओके, सो नाव फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 the area of new square is 9 times greater the area of original square. Okay, Hope you understand. Now our exercise completed. We will stop here. Thank you.